on the side of a mountain and his body like went into the ground. I thought he fell through the world. I was like, oh shit.
It's kind of interesting if it was. He comes back and nothing's on his character.
That is pretty funny to watch. You're like fucking flapping him all over the place.
I actually took his berries that he had on him.
Oh great, so he's gonna log on, have no berries, and be somewhere where he did not log off.
Sounds like a good night.
Yeah, only if you have that nice stench on your penis, otherwise it wasn't a good night. I lost you. Are you ahead of me?
Yeah, I'm ahead of you. Oh, you're going away from me.
Oh, you're behind me then. Or am I going the? I'm going the wrong way. I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I still got the money.
Oh my god, I forgot I was streaming this entire time. So I heard us doing that.
Good job.
Yes, master, picking them berries.
I see the skittering of tiny little legs next to me. Oh, there it is.
Oh, look at the scorpion's eyes.
Nice.
Nice. I got 2 pair of those.
Yeah, you can put them on any dino that has a saddle.
I think Delos should get it.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Oh god, I just saw like a giant money cut across my face.
Can you check on if you can make that saddle, the trike saddle out of the person?
I won't have enough mats.
You tamed that trike yet? Cause I'm cashing in my 3% trike.
It should be about done. I walked away.
Grass is so damn shiny.
I turned fucking foliage all the way down. Oh, what the hell? Why is everything running off?
The fuck?
What did you do, Brandon?
Attack
You
the
aggroed
turtle.
the whole camp. Everyone's pet's down there now.
That is why you don't use that fucking command.
No one did. Okay, I'm moving back.
That's a fucking army.
Where's Quesadillo?
I don't know, I gotta try to find my fucking pets in this mess now.
Oh, found him. Why are they all staring at the naked body?
I don't know, they get hungry enough, they might just eat, sit there. Fucking torch. I can't even repair it. Why can't I repair it? 'Cause I got no wood. This sucks. Where's that big ass fucking short armed piece of shit? Do you use all the wood off of this same thing?
I'm about to put it back on. I need to fix mine too.
Oh, I didn't have stone.
Look at how he's laying.
Do we have any crafting things set up yet?
Not yet. Because we're still trying to build the...
Jeez, you guys made me move out here and there ain't shit.
It's because we need the wood for the foundation. Once we have the foundation. We're at the
Build the crafting
oasis.
stations.
Where is that for the base?
Remember where we built on the other server?
Oh, in one spot? What?
Yep.
Why do I have 2 specimen implants?
Because you're extra special.
I guess. Where the fuck are my Dillos? I told them bitches to follow me.
Oh, shit, there's 2 piles.
Hey, give it a try. He shakes the ground like nobody's business. Holy shit.
Hey! Fucking fat ass just ran me over.
Wow, let's strike. Name Princess.
Put a fucking saddle on that
Of course
bitch
you
so
do.
we can ride it around. Get some berries.
Where did Chompy go?
Let's see here. What did I put?
Okay.
I might be actually be able to make it and see if we have hide for it.
I need 140 hide. We got the fiber. We got the wood. How much hide you got? Oh yeah,
What
we
time
got
is
it.
it?
We got it.
Just the wrong one. Are you making it or am I making it?
I'm making it.
Alright, I'm gonna go kill some shit in the forest. After I grab a drink real quick.
And it's made. Saddles on.
You work tomorrow, Brandon?
Nope.
So what do you use for ammo on your slingshot?
Rocks.
So, pulverize is, we call him pulverize? Or you go by
Drac.
something else? Do what?
Drac. He goes by Drac.
Drac, okay.
Really, it's whatever's easiest, to be honest, but...
Is that Kevin?
Is what?
Is his name Kevin or someone else Kevin?
Sithrak is Kevin.
Too many fucking people.
Are you trying to get everything near this area now?
Yeah.
Yeah, monsters can't spawn that closely to them, so hopefully this will be okay.
Just the ones I don't want us to lose.
Trike is kind of important now too.
Wait, so we putting pets in here then?
No, just moving these ones here so we don't lose them. These ones are important.
I don't want to lose my Dillo.
You won't. They keep them near the Dillo army and the Carno, and they'll be fine. Dehydrated again.
You got the log?
Me? No, I gotta build the base now.
Well, give me something big to fucking ride and put shit on, and I'll go chop an ass ton of trees down.
You can take the Carno with you.
Yeah, the Carno holds a lot.
What the fuck is a Carno?
Chompy?
Can I ride him?
No. He can
Does
follow
he kick
you.
ass?
Yeah. Basically,
What can kill him?
if you get two, a male and a female, so they're boosted, they take out T-Rexes like nothing. They're crazy. Then again, pretty much anything boosted is just wreck.
And
Yeah,
it's
you can get
boosted that has a few levels on it. You need like 10 plus levels and it's pretty much amazing.
I
No
need
matter
to
what
get
it is.
a male Dillo real bad.
I said, well, you can take one of the other ones up there, rename it. It's not
No,
like
but I want my own Dillo.
that can be your own Dillo.
Is it one of yours?
No, we just tamed it so we had protection here. We don't really care who takes it or uses it.
It's a level 39 male tractor in here.
Which one should I take? Yo-yo?
What level's your Dillo?
I got two. I got a 42 and a...
And you need
21.
a male?
Yeah, I need one male.
Take Bolo. He's right here. Here, I'll pull him out.
That's him.
Alright, yeah, that's cool. I can pass out in the middle of the water. That's great.
Yeah.
Trying to cool down.
Dark, you're supposed to be going to bed. Yeah, don't bring that up here. Don't bring that up here. Bad idea. Bad idea.
Bring what up where?
Bring in another trike.
Who is?
Sorry.
Damn it, who's using the AoE command? They keep making my fucking pet stop.
I actually kind of don't want to spend time on it, but son of a bitch.
I swear I'm never gonna hit level 15.
Why?
Because I'm just not. I'm finally 14. I just want 15 so I can make a fucking bow.
Should stop raining so I can go get wood.
It's like raining and foggy right now.
Well, I'm face down in the water.
You need someone to pull you out?
No, I'm up. I'm awake. I can't see shit because it's holy crap, it's so foggy. Jesus.
It is really foggy.
Like, I can't even see the cliff that the base is on. And I'm in the pool.
That's how my game is pretty much all the time. Okay, maybe it's not this bad. I haven't looked around.
Did you make that storage thing yet?